Okay, so I am in Google Classroom looking at classwork. I clicked on this in the middle. And then I'm going to click on create to create an assignment. I can create an assignment, a quiz, a question. I think I'm going to go ahead and create a quiz assignment. So I would put the title in, blah, blah, blah. I'm not really going to do it. Put the instructions in. And right here, this little paper clip, you can add attachments. So if this is a quiz having to do with inferencing, I want to link an inferencing video from YouTube. I first need to find that video. So here I have this inferencing video. I'll click share and grab the link, or I can just copy and paste the link. Copy, or I can just okay, that didn't work. Let me try again. So I found this inferencing video, so now I'm going to click up here and I'm going to copy the link to this video and I'm going to go back to my class and I'm going to click YouTube. Hopefully my internet cooperates with me. It should bring up a window that allows you to put a link in. It's not going to work. Okay, so when I clicked on the YouTube, it brought up this window. You can search for a video right here, or you can click URL and you just copy and paste that URL that you just copied from the YouTube window. It'll load for a second, and then you have to make sure you click add when it becomes available. Okay, so the video, it loaded that video. Now it gives me the option to click add. I'm going to click that. And it brought me back to my screen, and you can see the video is added. So let's see, say I want to add an anchor chart. So I can go to my Pinterest, find the anchor chart that I want to use. I'm going to click on this one. When it loads. So here's the inferencing anchor chart that I want to use. So I'm going to right click on it and click save image as. So then I'm just going to save it to my pictures and I'll be able to find it. I'm just going to click save so it's on my computer. And so then I can go back to my classroom and click add file. And so this will let you attach a file from your computer and students will be able to click on it and look at it. So this is what it brings up, and you are going to click select files from your device. And you're going to go and find that anchor chart. I know I saved it to pictures right here. And I'm going to click on it and click open. And it should be uploaded, or you can click upload and you have to wait for this to fill up. Wait for that to upload. Okay, so when it's ready, it'll bring you back to this page and you can see that it has that image attached. You can click whether you want students just to be able to view or to edit or to make a copy for each student. I would just do view. Let's see, anything else? You can add a Google Drive document, or you can also add a link. So let me know if you need any help doing those things. Over here, I would click both my classrooms. You can see, you'll be able to see Miss Ibarra and Mr. De Hoyo. So I would click both classrooms, go to all students. Due date, topic, this is where I put reading and writing. So anytime when I create my assignments, they'll be organized in classwork. And I think that is it. And then you would come up here and click assign.